All right, guys, what's up? In this video, we're going to discuss technical analysis. So some people may be like, what is that? Basically, it's just when you look at a stock chart like this and you predict the direction that it's going based on what you see in historical patterns. So let me simplify that and put some lines on this chart to make sense of what's going on. Let me hide this weird thing that you see here first. Okay, so what we're looking at right now is we're looking at a stock chart. And when you look at this, you can see support and resistance lines. Resistance being where the stock has topped out at before. Support meaning where the stock has bounced at before. So if I want to draw some support and resistance lines, I'm going to do a horizontal line here. I can see, okay, a resistance line is right here. Why? Because it topped out right there. Let's do another one. Here is another resistance line. Why? Because it topped out there as well. And we can do another one and another one and another one and another one. So these are all resistance lines. Now let's go in. Where is a support line? A support line is right here. Why? Because it bounced here and it bounced here. Where is another support line? It's right here. Why? Because look, it bounced here 3 times. And so what are we seeing when we draw this out? We are seeing supply and demand zones. So what does that mean? It means that when Microsoft gets into this level here, buyers step in. Buyers say, this is too low for this stock. We're going to buy the stock right here. And then this says, when we get into this level, the stock is too high for that price. So it's going to sell. And then it breaks above. And then it sets a new resistance. And eventually it'll come back down and it'll retest. And it'll come back up and it'll retest. This is how the market works. This is how it trends. You have a market trend, which is AKA the direction that it's going. So if we take a trend line and we connect to all the bottoms, you can see that this stock is trending to the upside. So when we see that a stock is trending to the upside, we're going to see it form a resistance, test it, form a new resistance, come down, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, or it's going to stay within anything like this. This is what technical analysis is. It's giving us an idea of where the best places to buy are and where the best places to sell are. And because of that, we're able to identify the best buy levels, the best sell levels, and create a consistent trading pattern, a consistent trading journey, and a way to make some money in the stock market. Now, there are people who be like, okay, cool, so I can draw out these levels, but I'm still confused. I don't know where exactly I should be buying. I'm not 100% certain it's going to bounce, right? Like when it gets into this level, how do I know it's time to buy? Because it could go against me, right? Like it could keep dropping, and that is so true. And that's where technical analysis, especially for beginners who are doing it for the first time, it leaves a lot of unknown territory because you don't know exactly what's going to happen. No one ever does. But that's why we have stuff like this. So a good way to start to verify your technical analysis is, let's say a stock is trending. You can come here and you can add a moving average. So if we come here, we can add a moving average, which is supported on all brokers, Yahoo Finance, TradingView, wherever you're on. And if I add a moving average and then I adjust it, let's say, because right now it's set to 9, let's change it to 200 because on a daily chart, that's a really good one to look at. So now we know, okay, when a stock is above this, we're trending to the upside. And so how could you have stopped this, or how would you have known that this was a dip buy? Well, now with this moving average, we know, okay, look, it brought into this level, it dipped, and then it broke above this line, showing that we're dipping, there's strength, and now it's getting above this line, which shows that it's in an uptrend, and that would have been a good buy. Now, for those who that is a great way to, verify your TA. But if you want to get a better example and you want to see exactly why everything is laid out, then you can also, I know I'm going to do a shameless plug here, but it's a 14-day free trial of the Impeccable Stock software where you can type in any stock, and then it's going to show you exactly what you should think about that stock. So for instance, you can do your own technical analysis on the stock and then come here and go, okay, so the game plan for this stock is the stock should be a great buy. You should have a stop loss here and a buy here because of this, this accuracy rating, and you can see the highlights and the points and all those factors there, in addition to so much more info. But yeah, guys, if you want to verify your technical analysis, use moving averages, and if you have the option, use the 14-day free trial link below. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please smash that subscribe button and that like button, and I'll see you in the next week's video.